stay with that man, Epa. Make her they stay with that Makwasma. Make I tell you, Epa, because my husband na the founder. So our church is registered for Italy here. So we can those kind of things they like to enter inside. You understand? So through that organization, it can easily, but I never really know this lady well. You understand? Until I talk to my husband before I go let you know. So if now that document make us they stay with that makwasma, that vampire. We no get pity mind. We no say person they feel pay. We don't know say person. No, you know easy. Woman go born, they do everything. See earth, no go let her breathe down. make she breathe down, you know go let her make breeze of her mugo enter your body. You know let this woman rest. You know let her enter your body. This woman you never marry her. You know they let her rest. So you can't open mouth, make this woman go see marry you. You know make sense. So if not that will be problem, Epa, I go call you. I go call you for this one. Because you go get she go fit get document without this man. She go fit get document without this man. I dey tell you the truth. That is why they tell all my gender. Make they try to be strong. Try to be strong. Even this, you say they do some business. You can even focus on that business. You register that business. Through that business, you go get documents. If you don't do that one, you go find work. Through that work, you get working permit, working documents. There are many things we women supposed to do. We be say we just this focus of man go give me document, man go give me document, man go they maltreat you through documents. So my lady, you try well, and I pray may God help you because if you come out from you can't be single mother now. No other woman will call up and say, see single mother. You don't know what you pass through. That is why they see all those women where they love single mother. Sometimes I go say that even the reason say not be everybody want be single mother, but na condition make you be single mother. You will be say you don't marry, you go the last single mother. You know what that single mother see. If you see her, you go feel stay her. I don't even talk and say if God give Osinachi to come back life, to come back again for second time, Osinachi go throw marriage and for if now we to go throw marriage, you go still be me and this marriage. Just because we as a women, our gender now we they laugh our gender pass. That is why many of our gender want fight for inside depression, inside marriage. I don't know the reason why they are doing like that. Marriage is like school, it's like university. You pass and no pass, oh. You know me say you know pass. Your mark pass my mark, oh. You know me say I no right well. Now so marriage be, no be do or buy. My sister, I pray. I go call a later if I get chance. Because sometimes now, me I go say I go call a they work. Maybe I they call a say I want us to come out now they go work. Me I see they run they go work. Now so it be.
No, from
so
today,
nevertheless, this is your matter.
Free, don't worry. If
okay, this your matter. We go enter inside. If not that one, make this man they punish you. This man go be ashamed. This man go regret the day when you say give you document. You go see with document. You go see with work. You go shine by the grace of God. Don't worry, my sister. Don't think. In anything, we give thanks to God. No think. Okay? So, I pray for you. May God give you knowledge. May God give you wisdom. May God give you understanding. May God give you strength to take off that 2 children way you get. And may God may you not go make you labor in vain. You go eat the fruit of your labor. In Jesus' mighty name, I pray. Amen. And I rest my case here, Ipa.
Thank you very much, Mommy Gio. God bless you. Thank you very much for your submission. Try and call me, very, very important. Also send that lady's number to me.
Okay,
thank you very much. God bless.
Okay.
We have our brother here, DJ B. DJ B, you are welcome to the house. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thanks, brother, for the warm welcome. I really appreciate that. I've been listening to you for a while. Sometimes I've been the FYP and just listen to comments. I think you guys are discussing personal matter, so I don't know what it's about, but I was in the FYP and I heard a lady speak earlier. She talked about relationships and she talked about peace of mind and she talked about getting intimate. She stressed the need to restrain ourselves when a woman is on her period, all those things. And that was, for me, the topic was fascinating. I guess that's one of the main reasons I came up. Because I love to be a part of these kind of topic that this generation, since most of us feel entitled, We African, we are people of greatness. We come from a place of tradition, but most of us, when we migrate to other places, we tend to leave our tradition behind. I mean, it's good to be versatile. It's good to tap into other people's tradition, but some of us just go too far. And I guess she just stressed the needs to restrain ourselves when it comes to certain things. And that, for me, those are the kind of things I love to talk about. I'm from Liberia anyway, and the lady up there in the right corner is Gladys. She's from Kenya. We Her platform is technically home to Liberians and Nigerians, not her own people. So so if you get the time, my brother Augustins, we invite you there sometimes to come. Let's talk about issues. We love to talk about
Okay,
issues
thank you very much.
relating to our respective country, especially Nigeria, Liberia, and those countries that are affected by things that are happening right now. But if I will go on, I would say the topic is fascinating and I love it. And I think most of you guys heard the ladies stress the need to just refrain from certain behavior, especially in the bedroom, because it can be detrimental
Thank you very much. Thank you. God
about
bless you. Thank you.
relationship. She talk about abuse in relationship. Look, I value my peace of mind. If I'm in a relationship and that relationship is becoming toxic and abusive, one of the best ways to go about it is first talk about it. And if the person in question is not willing to listen, then I think it's about time that I just back up and leave because your peace of mind is something that you should cherish. You wouldn't want to travel halfway around the world or come to Europe or the United States and just find yourself. And especially if you got kids in the middle of that relationship, that's the area you have to really, really restrain yourself because our kids mimic what they see. So you wouldn't be raising up boys, good boys and girls. You would be raising up monsters that will go and carry on the kind of work you put into them. They will go and not even knowing the basics to keep up a household. So I really like it. I'm not going to take up your time here, my brother. I'm just going to stop right there. And I would say thanks for bringing me up on your platform. I will always come back to follow the topic.
Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, have a nice day. Huh?
You too, brother. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye. Ciao. So let's go to this our sister up here. That why all meat, something like that.
You are meat boss lady.
You are
You are
what?
meat boss lady.
You all meat boss lady. Okay.
Yes. Good
If I don't
afternoon.
use only, if I use normal you, if I don't use Y, okay.
Okay, no problem. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon. You're welcome.
Okay. I want to talk about the women generally because I know they entirely. I did France. You understand? Wetin I just wan talk on we as a woman you don born, you understand, sometimes we dey make mistake, we dey make a lot of mistake, you understand, but we no go just know who we dey born for, we no go just know man finish. The next thing, some na still mistake sha, while some no be still mistake, you understand me. So if you don figure out any red flag in a man, say this man dey toxic, my sister abeg make una no wait make the man change, because you see the man he no go ever change, you understand me. So even if say wan change, men dey change for who they really like, you understand. So if you notice anything at all down to come dey bear, the more you dey bear, the more things dey get out of hand, and the more things dey worse, the more you sef you dey waste your time. So now wetin I get to talk for the matter. Now do well.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. I don't know if I saw anybody bearing cockroach. Can I say cockroach? Or how can I say it?
Yeah, good morning, sir. Miss Cockroach.
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 Hey, Jimmy, why do cockroach?
Yeah, you can call cockroach. Everybody call cockroach.
Okay, cockroach.
Yes.
Where's that name from, please?
I personally don't know. It's my daughter that put it there.
You don't know.
Uh,
You don't know.
I don't know. I just like
Okay.
the sound. I live
Okay,
like
thank you very much. Continue, don't worry.
yeah. Who you are hearing her voice is the one that fixed the name, the little baby. So I wasn't here from the beginning. So I came in late after the whole story was narrated. But from what people are saying, I try to gather what the story is all about. So, and I have to use it to say what I want to say. So in case if I am wrong, please let me know. So I don't, because let me say I just jump into the matter. Let me put it that way. So generally, what I have to say is that as long as this Europe is concerned, men, women, please always have a certain point of boundary in every situation, whether married or not married, as long as it has to do with a relationship, has to do with relation, marriage or friendship. Always have a boundary of stop. It's very, very important in every human's life. Before you get into that marriage, I believe you have something in your mind that you want this person to offer to you before you get into it, and you have something to offer to this person. I know sometimes the issue of document is always a very big catastrophe, a very big problem for us all. We try to hide some things just to get what we want, and then we show our real color. So, but in this aspect of what I'm hearing here, from what people are trying to advise, I will only just say that, please, sister, it's not too late. It's only late when you are no more breathing, when you are no more alive. That is when it is late. But now you are still alive, and you have seen who you married to or you are living with. This is not human, honestly. This person is no more human being. It's just something in a human form. So you don't need to sacrifice your life because of whatever document, because maybe because you don't have that document, you try to endure, be patient. So when you get your document, you should need to think about it. What about in the process of getting patient and you now lost your life? That is the end of it. Those children, both of you are raising in a monster form, but in a physical, it's just kids. But inside them, you are raising a very dangerous monster. They will keep growing that way because there is no mother who will now caution them or teach them in the right way. So now you are alive. Take those children, just like our first sister said, try to bring them back to who they should be as kids, because they have gathered 40% of their knowledge from you, 40% of their knowledge from their father. Then the remaining 20% is just on their own thinking. That is what they see outside. They will now add to their own life. But those 80%, that's 80% have already gotten from both of you, because children grow. The first thing they learn in life is from Papa and the Mama, which both of you did not show them the right way. Rather, you show them the ugliest way. Not even the ugly, but the ugliest way, which is not good. So you need to correct that by keeping yourself alive and helping those children to become normal, because they are not normal. They may not display it now because they are kids, they are scared, but a time will come, they will be behaving just the same way. That is why sometimes you see children when they are 10, 12, you say, he's behaving like the father, he's behaving like the mother. That is how it works. So you have to correct it by being alive. So in the aspect of document, anywhere you are, it's always good to ask questions. Ask people around, the right people, because some people you ask them, they will tell you what you want to hear, and you think they know what they are saying. And then you jump into what they said, you make a very big mistake. So also use your brain. When they tell you, calculate how possible can it be. You ask 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely the 5 of them cannot tell you the same answer. 1 must be different or 2 must be different. You should know the right one to go to, so you don't make a mistake about document, because this document of it, when one make a mistake, the mistake don't day, and it will be very hard to retrieve it back to normal. It will cost you a lot. So in the aspect of that man, of you staying or not staying, like I said before, if you stay alive, you stay alive for the children and to correct them and to put them in the right form. If you are dead because of document or because you don't want anybody to laugh at you, you don't want what people will say, then always consider that you will not be there to correct them. And though you have already produced a monster, that is what you have.
Ma quando hai un numero della SIM, hai un numero.
And the man, my dear, it's hard. Nobody wants to tell you leave, but I will tell you categorically, pack your thing, leave. When the man change, he come for you back, and you know that they have changed. Okay, you go back. But as long as they have not changed, or you are not willing to go back, you stay and live your life. Enjoy yourself. Because this life, you see, is just once. If you lost out of the way, you have lost out of the way. You are alive, and you enjoy yourself. So keep what people will say. Single parent, single mother, just take that and put it inside dustbin. Forget about it. Because this is you. This is your life. This is you want to survive. This life we are living is the survival of the defeated. Carry love. Keep one side. Love is just, let me say, is a feelings that come and go. It's not something that stays permanently. So I will ask you, from my own side, I will leave if I'm you, because it is out of hand. I don't know about the story of the blood issue, leaking issue. I don't know about it. I didn't start at the beginning, but from my own understanding, a normal human being can never, ever think of it, even imagine it, not to talk of thinking it and practicing it. Who does that? This is my first time in my life history. I'm just trying to imagine how can it be. So forget about it. It is not normal. Save your life. Take care of your kids. Face your life. Enjoy your life. You're a woman. Who knows, tomorrow somebody may come and marry you and those kids. You see that you have a better life. You have hope. But if you are there and the man kills you, that is the end of your life and your hope and your children. Because nobody can raise those children the way you yourself can raise them. Another woman cannot do that. It is you who have the perfect way to raise your children. So that's what I have and what I think I can give, because I don't know the story very well. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you for your submission. Thank you. Thank you very much. I love my father. You were here before. Network dropped you. If you want to contribute now, you can contribute. If you are not available, let's go to my sister Annabella, to talk to us. Sister Annabelle.
Good afternoon, sir. I greet the house. Good afternoon,
How are you?
I live fine. So, wetin I wan really talk, I don't really want to talk too much. Now, one thing really dey important, then make me come up. You see that prevention where everybody they talk say, me go do. My sister, I dey talk based on experience when I don't get for my life. You understand? So, if you know say you be woman or you be girl, you never born finish. that thing no be wetin I advise you may you go do, because it get many way to destroy. You understand? So if you know say you never born finish, you never say okay, I don't want stop finally, no go do one. That one can't go one side. That your husband or Ogboni, the Ogboni when you be na the local one, and you need to go find out that blood when they leak, whether na what they send and say me go they do be that one. You understand? So like our sister talk just now, person not fit tell you say me you come up for the man, because it's someone you wear I don't know trouble no one see go worry. They don't feel use my tell pikin make come up for smoke. Pikin in that sense now you know whether it will come up for smoke or no. You understand? So that is just he say go put something for body take protect yourself. You know one born again. If you know say you never read this, you never born finish, it's not advisable. It's not advisable at all. It's better you leave the man, take care of your 2 children. Maybe God can't do one, you can't finally see the man when you want to settle down with. You continue. So, boss, I rest my case. Thank you.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Women, I hope you guys hear what she said. She's talking about do it and don't do it. And we don't even know the one people have to follow. As a woman, you know what is good and you know what is bad. So that's all I can say. So let's allow our mama of the house, Mommy Trisha, to talk to us.
Thank you, sir.
We go down to...
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma.
Good morning, good afternoon, everybody. I wanted to even ask permission from everybody because I did work. Make a quick talk. God bless you all. We dey talk for this place, say, believe social media advice at your own risk. That one not me say, there are no good advice on social media. So I come up just to give my own submission, small one, because of, say knowledge is power. If you don't get knowledge of anything or something, you are ignorant. Ignorant means say you don't know. You don't know and you're not ready to know. So concerning contraceptive, that is medicine or treatment when woman not they take get belle now want to. From experience, I have friends, not be one, not be two, not be three, when they don't use them. It not be problem. As our mommy share talk, everybody body different. You have to go to your doctor. They go choose the one when you want, where you go good for your body. If you try one, if they give you problem, if they get reaction or adverse reaction, be say if they give you bad one, you go meet them again. They go change them for you. There is patches, there is coil, there is pills, there is rubber. That one they call condom. Yeah. So say contraceptive, if they affect childbearing, I disagree because I don't see person. Few people when don't use them, it not stop them. A colleague of mine, we were so close. That woman I call she dey fix every 5 years. When she want born, join her picking. The month when she go comot and that month that she taking. I've had a friend where they use patches, the one that they put under your skin. The month that woman remove her, now that month she get belle. It no me say it dey stop somebody from childbearing. The only one me don't know say they stop childbearing now if you do hysterectomy, they go remove your ovaries. Then you know if they lay egg again, that one before you do it, if you don't born finish, say you don't want pick again, now you go do hysterectomy. So say those contraceptives they stop somebody from childbearing, my sister, is a no. For you to believe, ask your doctor or ask your gynecology. It will tell you. So it is very important for women take care of your body. And I talk on before, so I just hope this our sister, you carry pen and paper or you get recording device where you tell the record all these things so that later you go play them, because I don't hear vital information here since as they talk to you, my sister. No destroy your body again. You don't do this one, we don't do, so you don't do. We take God beg you. I take God beg you. No be do or that affair. And I really praise you. We be say you don't let that man go put money for your head. If not, we for the drag now bright price zone. Now we for day now. because that one that was Sunday maybe for no even want collect bride price. You call they drag each other left, right, center. So my sister, you get sense well. Unfortunately, you met the wrong man. God go bless you, and I pray say every advice will give you for here, it go work for you. It go work for you so that maybe you start living a good life. Now that one I say make I can't talk. Una do well, all of una. Thank you, una allow me talk. Now do well.
Thank you very much, Mama of the house. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you for your submission. So, look, I bring more people. Very, very important. This is vital information. Oh my! But because if I not come bring Mama Joy come up, what about if she come knock for my door? What I want come talk? So, who is our next person? Okay, Doropati. Before we allow Doropati to say it here today, in case you don't know, Doropati was a 300 level in this school here. But as of today, as we speak right now, before she can say anything at all, Doropati was a 300 level in this school. As we speak right now, Doropati is now.
Hey God, Jesus Christ.
Doropati is now in SS3.
Oh, today I do one of the most me. Yes, too. We shall be congratulations, mommy of France.
Doropati is now in SS3.
Oh, snap.
As we speak.
300 level, SS3. Which one I pass my people?
From 300 level down to SS3.
Yes, so what I do now? He just me go give me me the task I want graduate very soon. See fuck up.
You know what you do?
Oh, so I don't know what I do. Here.
Okay.
They don't remove food from my mouth. Who drop my share? Ebo God, you know, pass you. Yes, Yaga. Yes, Yaga. Oh.
You drop my share. You drop my share.
Mommy, I don't shoot you for a beg. I go join the rat exam again next time. I do. Now, good afternoon, my people. As I always a preacher, self-love, not a bitter more. I do. Self-love, my lady, not a beat that self-love. One, if you love yourself, me, I not love myself before, So you see these people where they here so now they make me can't love myself to the extent say if person stand near me, I not send the person papa in a generation. That's me at this moment now. Love me, leave me alone. You get that so if you love yourself, mommy, sure you see those 4 things where you go do so. I don't want even they put name, You not go ever go do one. I want me, my women, my fellow women, they love their self to the extent say you go the reason yourself say you betrayed you. Anything where go cost you pain, where go cost you, say you go come they cry, you go need to they avoid them because you betrayed you. You get that so. Mommy, the only reason why I go know say you stay there now because of document. Come on, me, I not go put water for Matty talker. Come out, that share where they draw me so. I know say you sit down for that share. Come out, draw the share, go back, stand up. And I can't tell God say you come the right platform. Where you feel connect to a lot of people. And us they there to see they put you through. A lot of family now they Italy there. Us go connect you to the right person where we say it go put you through. Mommy, love yourself. Because you see all this advice where my mommies and my daddies don't give for years since, If you don't love yourself, you know go every year. You hear what they talk. But nothing you go take for inside. You don't listen to all of them, but you no go hear anyone at all. You no go fit pick anything at all. Because you dey hot. Mommy, I beg, love yourself. The next person where they follow, sure you see those children. If you not love yourself, those children, you know fit take care of them. Now which I dey preach everything anywhere. So thank God to host. Say, then put me for this kind of position to take the preach this kind of thing for now. Love yourself first. If you love yourself, your children be the next people where they follow. Because if you not love those, if you not love yourself, you know if you love those children. And if your children don't follow, and your children when they get problem tomorrow, that you love yourself what you still do, they go use and take drag you go back again. You will come they start from school one, they'll come they say from one therapy to another. You come they run from one therapy to another. And so the thing because children where they raise for toxic environment, he say no. That may I tell you more thing, mommy. Sure you see these children where with me and you they born so they sabi they hide their feelings. You know be like me and you any small thing we don't cut bets. These children they sabi they pin their emotions. They go they look you. If you not they okay, they don't know already. Wait till they go on for theirs. If you not tell you, they go lock up. And that thing, the Congo they think they damage their brain. It's not good at all. I know they advise and say me do like that. You know, girl, you go hide your feeling rich. You don't dey the position where be say, you know they okay. Your pikin go tell you say, Mama, you are not okay. I know you are just pretending. So for that reason, love yourself first. Take care of those children. If you know say the man now, you don't call and sit down 1, 2, 3, go reach 4 times. Mommy, kick the bucket. Kick and come out. I no go advocate for any man again. Kick and come out. Carry bag if you go carry. They say they'll carry bag and go and sit down in your father's house. Carry bag, go sit down for what you know say you go forget peace. They take care of those children. Every day now, they collect children. They do this one. They do that one. I beg, I want to hear testimony now. Now testimony now day for so. Us go connect it to the right people. What did that man do, mommy? I know I will go that man because if I go that man, I go use a flog gun. Take care of yourself. Now I go tell you say me you do. Take care of those children. Connect with us. Us go direct you to the right person. That your document so you go get her. We go testify put for here. You get her, mommy. I beg. You don't reach. Not beat yourself to it. You did nothing wrong. You be amazing person. If you feel like to talk, call us. We are all here. This place na family, na community. Community where be say if you come, you go get your answer. Even if it take time, you must get answer. You get her, mommy. So thank you, host. God go bless all of us. Mommy, future wet. God go bless you. But host, I beg that position when I carry me go too far. Me. Wak bezami. Even me risotto. Yeah. Oyeve yaya dweke tomatoes you. They laugh me. Yaya what tomatoes in the kioba. Juju and Sam, I don't tired.
Okay, let's mama of the house talk. Mama of the house say, sister, there's a reason for it. Yes. We not just they do something. We all carry you from 300 level down to SS3.
It shock me, oh. Let's say it's not for electric share. Me when use the material I want wear this afternoon after I don't do nails this week. Was it not fair, oh. Before I go drop my mic, Mona not forget, oh, our sister see them Malaysia. Mo will not be do and Mo will not be talk and not do. Mo will be talk and do. I beg. Oh, Stella, tell me what I do now. Or you maybe so taverna. Maybe tell 1 minute look me your taverna, eh? Yes, sir.
No worry, I'll tell you after the show.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, you don't repeat class. Hey, finamente.
I beg, mute. I not join you. You na keju one you day. I be SS3.
I don't see my friend too.
So next person, please. Next person. Hello, my father. You want to talk?
I will talk my friend make Padeyan and they come later.
You want to people for that talk. You want make wait, but
now your way. Don't chop Padeyan.
Miss Love, talk to us. Maybe you're there for work side. Talk to us.
She not there, lovely. Lovely, not be her name.
Lovely, can make her see.
Still there.
Miss Lovely, talk to us.
Coach, now me if I come in, so network don't let me see.
She dey on call. Look her well. She not there yet. If let's say she dey on call.
Okay, no wahala. Oga Prince, talk to Ramo. Go to the other guy. Whether that man being a woman, no, me I see the name first. You don't first any questions.
Good afternoon, everybody.
No, my sister. Continue.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, host.
Good afternoon, my
May your days be long.
Thank you.
Because you are always bringing for we to know that we still have vampire in human being. I was thinking it's only Rottweiler and I will get. I don't know say vampire don't enter the system. My sister, I thank Yahweh say you not even finish your blood. No be only that thing when you pass through, no be drop your blood. Oh. That guy don't almost suck your blood finish. My happiness is that you escape on time and you discover yourself, because some of the people when we dey see all these kind of people, if you go check how they take raise them, now how they take raise them, now they want to raise children. So now how they take raise them, how their papa and mama take raise them, now in they want to raise children, so they no wan even correct that thing. How will you ask a woman whether you don in period time don dey reach? Na that time you wan come dey wash plate? My guy, na you smoke pass?
The mechanic. That mechanic comot na big.
Na you smoke pass? I no understand. There are some things wey I dey hear host and the thing dey tire me. I dey fear. Some men, the way when they take raise them, and they don't just raise them well at all. They know I came out of polygamous, so but the kind sense when I get, some people don't even get half. Woman won't get period the next day, and that before the next day, sef, the blood already they come out. Now that time you want begin the wash plate. Which kind of human being? Where this one for come? Say now because in the smoke, which smoke in the smoke? In smoke, wetin I smoke? But they hear people they say they smoke. They don't smoke wetin I smoke. A power. They don't smoke wetin I smoke. I smoke so they nothing, nowhere where I not take smoke. No smoke. Where no smoke not come out from my body. Wetin they smoke? Now me still say okay. I don't want smoke again. Wetin they smoke? I want. Your wife, you give am belle, you cannot even use, you no fit use rubber. I don't know wetin dey worry from me. You can't do withdrawal method, you can't use rubber. Which kind of human being be all these ones?
Which method, sir?
Withdrawal method.
Hey! Opia! 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 You're not a name. Who see an celebrity was able to give her name? Withdrawal method. Don't know that a priest they give her the
soul. Withdrawal method.
I like when you see you must not go school to get IQ. You know what I'm saying?
That is the best option. Leave all this family planning when they talk. Withdrawal method is the best option. If you see say the other one, you know they enjoy it. It's the best option. Once that thing won't come outside, you withdraw it. Not deposit the money, you withdraw the money come off for inside. If you deposit, I know say if the money must bring profit. You withdraw it.
So it's called the withdrawal method, right?
Yeah, withdrawal method. If you are applying withdrawal method, you don't need family planning, you don't need all those safety this thing. Use withdrawal method. If you see say that one, you know they enjoy. I mean, use withdrawal method.
It's a smoke.
Me, I know believe
I said.
because you see this life, it's not to just make love. I know some people not they feel control themselves when they do on top of that wheelbarrow. Because if you do on top of that's as they push you, they go so. Now so they sweet, now so they still bring many things when follow. If you know say you not fit dance for the reggae or the blues when one come out from that wheelbarrow when they drive, make you suffer they use withdrawal method. I beg you now. All these men when they not feel hold themselves. I know say the thing, the sweetness when they not dey inside sugar, but try dey use withdrawal method. Once you don reach that stage, be like say you seize your breath small, you withdraw your money comot for inside, make you deposit am for ground since you no fit play the rules of a father. This woman now just go enter one chance. Person dey bleed, you dey tell am say you get work when you wan go. Some men sef oh, I wish I fit dey meet all these men wey dey talk every day one by one. Therefore don change. I no go lie you, because they will not live to tell the story. Anyone wey fit survive am, if he come outside go say, guy, e get wetin I do my wife and one guy just go, I no know wetin the guy do, I enter class, I no fit come outside again. You go sink am, you go remain there. You still go dey give am food for there. You go tell am say na me do you. You go say na you do, na me do you. Wetin you wan do? If you still come outside, you go still go meet am say I should don come outside now. If you no wan go back there again, behave. Before your own stop, na there another person own for start. Where your own for stop, na there another person own for start. Na think say una get madness. Una no get o. Una no get at all. People wey even craze pass una sef, they still dey pet their wife, they carry their wife like egg. They behave mature. It's not the rascality now if they show say you get power. All these kind of men now, if you go outside, they no fit even follow their men stand talk. Because you go collect one kind of hot slap when you go lantern for somewhere. Now women they fit get power. They just they oppress them, they go they sweet them. What I see for all these kind of men, they mistakenly give the cucumber when they create them finish. They're supposed to come in a woman form, but that mistake was made already. They now come as a man. They are not supposed to be a man at all because they don't have conscience. Even some women say they even get conscience well past them. They don't even get conscience at all. Whether na their papa blood they carry, whether their papa na they don't fair use them go do something for somewhere, be they not go soup for their head. I don't understand. Person self when demon they worry self, you see they behave well. Tomorrow now you go see them now. They go say, I bet no mind me, na devil work. Devil no near you. Now you they use devil now, no be devil they use you. You they use devil, you know. Get shape. Person wey don born 2 boys for you. You no fit give her paper. You no fit. And you dey brag say make it come get am, make you see people self. See people. You no love that woman. You no love her. You just dey use and cure your smoke. Johnson when that smoke they give you, now they use this woman take you. You no love her. You think say you now that woman not get wetin go do you. You know when I talk something yesterday, I be there for you. They say, hey, please don't advise people like that. People like you, if I prepare food for you, that smoke when they smoke, you not even reach. If I prepare for you, when you say they smoke now, nothing feel high you. If you eat and finish, you go sleep 3 days. If you wake up, they ask what do you. They ask what do you. I just look at the laugh and say, I don't know where you go take sort you. Because people like you need some kind of treatment. No, it's not it's not a devil art. You just do him. He go sleep. You not go by. He go sleep when he wake up. He go look everywhere. He go say, what thing happened to me? He go dey very careful of his life. Not be who they smoke not fit chew igbo. Who they smoke not fit eat igbo for food though. Smoking are just normal. The smoke they enter your system, they come out for nose. Go chop am for food or chew am if you know say it's strong. Chew the igbo. Whether not be crutches, they'll take carry you go hospital. He say now everybody when they smoke, they fit chew igbo. Now don't take smoke as if fella when even smoke, he talk something reasonable. When I don't turn smoke to person when they smoke, igbo not get sense again. Now I turn out. Now it make me suffer leave the class for. I was in that class. I see say people when they take am.
Which class?
They take am finish go drink am. I was in 300 level. As I see say the 100 level when they come up at the secondary school, they are not even meeting up. I have to leave it.
So Igbo still get class. Hello?
Epa, I go far. If I see people say they smoke, they not smoke. I go far for smoke. I smoke so that they use nose. I go use nose. Instead of to use mouth, I'll use nose, take her in. You go come out for inside here. They not smoke now. What is what smoke?
Take her in, you come out for inside here.
They not smoke.
Wait. You will use nose take her in.
When I tell you they smoke, now I tell you they very calm pass as I did now.
You will use nose take her in. You come out for
if I smoke finish, I'll be like that snake when swallow rat. Once I don't smoke finish rat. Whether you offend me or I know the verse. If you offend me, I know the verse. Once I don't smoke. Once I smoke finish like this. If you like offend Prince, see what I do you. I'll just laugh. I don't go even verse when I smoke finish. All this one now they smoke finish go they drink garri. That is the problem. If smoke finish go they drink garri, you can't eat something meaningful. Smoke finish go they chop indomie, chop noodles. Is that one smoking? That is not smoking. When you smoke finish, you eat good food. If you eat good food, you're the reason why. When you smoke finish, go they chop one kind of nonsense food when you not go even control the smoke for inside your system. See reggae men when they sing, when they smoke, they talk reasonable talk. All this one when they sing now, if they smoke finish, they begin to misbehave. They leak blood. Now you be vampire when we want create for the year. They will give you cup now. Chief liquor. You want make heaven. Come enter the heaven now. All these kind of people. Now white gate they wait for now. When I go track tire for inside that white gate. All these kind of people now they go heaven. If I made that my sister, you use brain. Make you use brain and Satan in the trade with. If you use long spoon with Satan, make you feel meet up for life. If I rest my case, I beg.
Thank you
this
very much.
This network, you know what make I talk
please.
Today.
Thank you, brother. Please, thank you very much for
sir.
For your 300 level graduates before. That was your past life. Thank you. I want to ask a question. Comment section. Can I ask a question, please? Sir. Can I just ask a question? Just a question. Just a question. No. Just a question.
Yes, sir. Yes.
If anybody they talk for this platform, comment section will define my own for inside.
What are your eyes?
Why did they find my own for inside? I don't understand.
Now, you didn't do your face. Your face is not good.
Good. No, see, all I they do turning around for my good. I dey observe on since. He had to do turning around for my good. I can see everything turning around. Everything around for my good.
Me? You said me?
Oh, today your eye dey everywhere. We dey observe. I dey observe now.
With your
Finish was on my eye.
with your
Efa, you know what I'm talking about? I just
I don't know.
You must know.
Mr. Host, good afternoon. I beg I fit throw away my talk, make I quick. Because I sister, now everybody where they watch or where now they watch from may God give us better sense. Make we take know our enemies. First, now 3 things I go talk about. Igbo. 2. I go talk of Naki, Nakaholic, and Naxi. Then the last one where I go come talk, our sister, wetin he go do, make it not the risk her life too. I go talk about her head too. To start, Igbo, bros, I bet let them know say not be everybody wey smoke Igbo, na in they sabi do the duo, make some, because some don't they hear now, they learn useless thing. Instead when they go listen to the right vibes, they don't they listen, they don't pick down and say who smoke Igbo, now in they do the do pass. So you go let them know say no, not be like that oh.
They know,
you understand?
They know.
Make them no go get wrong impression. Then I go talk about knocking where that man where be say he don't know himself again. But everything where they come in head now knocking. You won't give your mother-in-law 2 kobo. You go first, suffer your wife, knock hell out of her before you send money. So you be pay as you go. Pay as you go, Echo next. You know they do anything free. Your paper you hold on, bang, may fly no pass out. Bro, this man get long run plan right from day one. Wait telling that woman friend say, now remember, wait tell her say he need wife badly. And that one now that guy that misled that woman because that woman was really desperate. She was a desperado, searching for where to seek shelter. Now devil come prepare package with her. I no blame him. I no blame him at all. That first time when she leave that man, if I just come out totally, she for don't get paper by night to say now also she they also her own life, her own paper. She wasted the whole time. Today, quarrel, return, start again, naxing activity, start. They use and they do ping pong, pass away. And again, that man, he they knock you, make you they born. Make it they collect revenue from government. If you watch the trend of that knocking, in they know when you the day period, he go come use me by, he go come by ask you, say, when your period they come, when he don't go, when he they come, he won't belay you so that you go born multitude nation. So that make it they collect that revenue. If they build house, if you go find out now, don't they build house, you don't almost complete that for your village. Not only that, if I may hear well, or if I'm not making mistake, he talk about loan. Abi? Host. Mr. Host. There was something like loan ahead. Abi?
You say?
I heard about loan. There was a place where she mentioned loan also.
Loan.
Where one borrow money, something like that. He said, may go borrow money, something like that.
No, I know hear that one for I did not borrow any money. Oh.
You didn't hear that one. Okay. Now, this man, for those 4 children, you know how much this man must have collected? Let's do the calculation. How many kids?
Again, no.
How many?
Now, those one now flush the first side away. Now 2.
Now 2.
They flush 4 away. 4 go.
That was his plan. If you watch the trend of things, he wanted the children. The woman they flush and the guy not happy. He's pretending. He was just pretending. That was his mission. He won't use this woman. You make sure he get plenty children where he won't get. They use that, they collect money. You know what face at work when they work. The work is not enough for him. He knew all he was doing. He wanted to use this woman. After he don't finish him, he go want eliminate him. That was the next plan. And the woman now, he go tell her, say, go take something. The woman go take, he go take. And one thing again, where I won't let my sisters know, there was a story that happened in London. Then I was in London. There was this woman. She go for operation. I didn't know I cannot remember the operation she actually went for. But during the time of the operation, the operator finished. The doctors mistakenly, you know those doctors who don't tire. They walk. They want still get money as we they do like book and so. Then too they rush to do more operation, make them get money. As they do the operation finish, now they leave cloth where they take clean blood inside the woman. They soak cloth where they take clean blood. You imagine woman where don't carry soaked cloth of blood inside body. Where don't they, the thing, you know say it go decay now, of course. It can't decay. And the woman take no. The woman no quick no. The woman go dey faint. She go dey faint. Now one day, he go reach hospital, they just give her message, say, na blood, they'll give her blood. Then he got to a time. So he can't get to a time, they can't need to do scanning. As they do scanning, now they can't realize there's something black inside one spot there. What it be this? Doctors no know. They need to come open and make them know. They need to open the body again. Make them know what they make this woman. What it go dark there, way black. Make them know. Now they come find out, say, as they open and make them bring them out for operation, they find out, say, na decayed cloth. Why they talk this one? If they hadn't found out this woman gonna get sickness. Abnormal growth go they grow inside body. When that thing not too decay, worm don't they come out, different thing go come they grow inside our body. You understand? Then also this abortion of a thing where anything you just throw inside just to, I don't know who they give them all those fake sense. You go take land, you go take this, only your belly now everything they go. What could they, who do us this? What could they be careful? Anything you swallow to come out, now damage is where they damage, like they plenty past the help where they help you. You go to say you abort the pikin, leg go still there inside. They go abort the head, hand, and belly. The leg go remain inside your body. The quack doctor go say you don't finish everything. At the end of the day, those things go to decay inside you. As they decay, you go to see yourself say you dey lose strength. At the end of the day, if care is not taken, the person go pass out. Before they say Jesus is Lord, you don't finish. Some, not be everything they come out. So we need to be very careful. You do first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sister. Waiting now. Waiting. You be slaughtered. But could they very careful? Please, I they beg my sisters and our brothers where they send go do these things. Enough is enough. And the last one where I go talk about. Not be every man will come me to now. Say he need pikin, now go they dash pikin. Now they dash them pikin, no. Not be every man is a man. Some, as my brother talk, they be meh, malu. I bet you, if sister no quick come out. Lastly, if sister no quick come out, this man is going to squeeze her. He go buy him. He don't already make plans to bring the woman come from home. He go squeeze them. That is the next agenda, and he go execute them. If sister no move, this fear of how do I begin? She talk him at the beginning. He don't already defeat her spirit to run herself. Make sure food there at the own table herself. Why do we always believe saying men? We they always believe saying that men go carry us waka. Why? Who give una that this thing say people don't want to start from zero level. They just want to start from middle. So people when they start from zero, they don't have sense. Now you wasted all your time with him, emotion, everything. You born free children for them. Then you help and slaughter some. You for don't get your paper now. You dey fear where you go start from. But you go hustle, take us where picking. Instead, where you go to pursue your own paper. The man gets his own. He no gree give you. You no say something they happen. When you go tell her, say, see what they grand, the man go begin to say, I tell you, say you no good. You see your mama now, you see this. And any man where they insult woman, papa, and mama, no fit to marry. Lead my lips. Any man where they insult from boyfriend, girlfriend, they insult your papa, they insult your senior sisters, they insult everybody. That man is not fit for marriage. You are toying with a boy. And those kind of boy, they can mess you up anytime, big time. Anything you do, pay as you go. He go won't give you penny. He go first make sure he squeeze knocking out of you. You tell us say rain they fall outside. Don't buy me umbrella. How much be umbrella? The cheapest. He go first make sure he give you 10 rounds. For how long will you continue to take all those skin? You day period though. You know day your flower. He must make sure he complete for them. Now Sunday mercy. That one na even Sunday. Your own na day mercy. Sister, the earlier you get your ass out of that place, the better for you. At the long run, you're gonna benefit it. Forget about that man. That man is a nama, as I earlier said. Wake yourself up because you are still sleeping. Wake up. It's never too late. Take your decision now that you are still alive. Thank you.
Hey, thank you very much, Exceptional B. God bless you. Exceptional B has been with me for a very long time. Thank you, my brother. And so they talk you the way it's supposed to be. Talk and finish, then you move. You understand? So let's allow our mother of the house in France to talk to us. Mommy Davis, you can continue from where Exceptional B stopped.
Good afternoon, sir.
Go there.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon. You don't drive? We don't hear you.
Hello, now they hear me?
You talk about loan?
Yes, she talk about loan. He say, the man say, may she go borrow that 5,000 for bank because he borrow money when they build house for bank. Yes, she talk even though say yes, I shook my earpiece for my ear well so that I feel hear everything.
You guys say everywhere.
Yes.
That are you there for work?
Yes, I did for work.
And you come to can hear?
Yes, make up for you. So you try that. It's not easy.
This platform there, when out of the too much.
So for me, I say who never fuck up, me raise your hand up. Sister, me I not feel blame you. You see that all this one we talk about abortion and everything. If you hear some people's story about abortion, you go whole head now. So I not feel blame you. Your body na just so children. You understand? Now full Because person like me, I talk am for year one, they say, even that birth control, they work for me. I don't use birth control. I don't use and get belle 2 times. So it depends on everybody. Everybody not be the same. Some people did that birth control go they work. Me, the birth control, 2 birth control that they use now. But if you see me, I can't big because of that thing, which is not good. It's not good because for woman, when they take risk, all this risk, they're supposed to appreciate us because it's not easy. Sister, me, I not blame you for that one because now picking day your body well, and the man too constantly fertile because now when fertile person and fertile person they together, now that belly they quit they come. That's why I say because for France, birth control now free of charge, now free. That they do one, they do one for girls' children, now free. Even some places they will figure collect all this rubber for free of charge. You understand? If you go meet and say you don't want to get belly, immediately they'll do one for, even though you get paper, you not get paper now free. You don't need to if I now you don't need to go pay to take get some, but since that side you need to pay and they work. It dey difficult. And also I feel still understand you because who never fuck up may raise his hands. That one way be say they do anything. Nama they do one. Before you ask for something, before you talk anything, you first crash head. My sister, you try. Even the heart attack, your heart will go fair fly. When you want to talk to that same person, say, Oni, I need this thing. My sister, sincerely speaking, my heart break for you. People nothing understand. Person will never do your shoe. You know go if you understand. It's just easy for people to say, why you did there, why you did there. My sister, nothing, no, nothing for you. You to even say you want buy something, you have to ask. That is the worst position anybody can ever pray to be. Me, I don't even pray for anybody to be on that position where we say, before you do anything, you have to ask. You have to ask. I cannot pray for anybody to be in that position. I really feel your pain. I don't feel like you. I feel like when I listen to her, I just well, make her not there too emotional. But another one, when I want to tell you, if you know, say you really get where you did go, and you get people to support you for there, I bet sister, make a move. Because they say, one parable say, if you not come up for third junction, you know say something there was setter. If you not come up for one place, you know say another thing there, another place. It must not be him who go give you paper. It's not God. Not be him be God. Anything where he talk, where you use the mouth to talk, say, don't talk him. I know when you be say before ma go give you one and go fair insult your mama. I know when I listen to her, I know because who never fuck up may raise hands. When you they talk him, I feel your pain. My sister, even if you say me they sick, I go use my sick body to go work. I know they lie you. Since when doctor tell me say they give me a rest, may they give me a rest for my this thing, for my hand. I not take. It's not because of say this thing, but I prefer to go to work. Please, my sister, if you know you have people, now it's you and the children that matters. No, they think about time again. No, they talk. I know someone still in the same house. What you need to do, they say, my place is what you will do, let it be in your heart. No talk and come out again, say, I go do this one, I go do this one. Because people that make get where's in our
no, that's what to be arrest.
Arrest na doctor this thing. What is it? A doctor go say may you stop work because of maybe a person not well. If you are not okay, doctor will want give you paper, may you stop. Now for French, they'll say may you stop sick leave, voila, sick leave. But Me, I refuse to take am. You understand? Even my girlfriend don't they say, I beg madam, stop. I say no. You understand? Now sick leave, yes. Please, sister, I beg you in the name of God. Anybody will not be sacrifice for you. They know what to sacrifice for. Don't quote me wrong. It's a good they spend for the children, they buy things and everything. But at the same time, what of you? What of you? You matters. You matters a lot. You matter. Now you they important, because if you are not there, those children will not come. So pick you first. Pick you. I always tell people, say, take care of you first. You need come first before anybody else. So what you need to do now, sit on your closet. Not even they talk about him. Think about you yourself. Say, okay, as it be like this, as it be like this, paper not there, 2 children already did there. How will I do this thing? How am I going to go about it? No, they call your family. For now, block your family. For now, not they report to your mama again. Do you know so many reasons the main fact that makes you to state in this moment, say, my family member? And don't forget, the way they talk for you, say, the worst mistake you can ever make, if you dey Europe now, so they take advice from your family member for home. Now that would be the worst mistake you feel make. Because what if they go the advice you now? Biena or my easy or marriage has now the same thing. Yes, marriage has is not easy. This man never even marry you now. If they do you like this, what if you don't marry, you go say, I tell you now, me, I don't buy you. He go even tell you, I am an enemy. You see one word we use for that, say, if you dey Africa, whether fear will let you do what you they do so. This kind of men, this is what they do. This is what they do. And my advice for them, say, I beg Oga, carry your bag of baggages, go back to your country and do that which you know how to do best. Go take your chief senti title for your village, so that we go know say I dare you there, because you know fit there another man land. They use your village mentality for another man land. Now don't be what the video when I do yesterday. Go back to your country and take your chief title for there. You are a title man. I'm an enemy. If you are in Africa, may I tell you, what at the day they start, you don't have respect. Oh God, you don't command respect. Respect is earned. You sit down one way, be say you raise your hand, you give her for face. That first time when you insult your mama, my sister, I not feel blame you, because they say who not cause go use a blow. Now be waiting you do for there. Since you don't want cause your family back, now make how you do that one. And the other one, especially when you get belly, tell me any woman where you get belly for you, where you dey labor, where you want go hospital, go born, where you don't know where. Tell me how many of them will never even insult their husbands for pregnancy side. Anyone where they go say, he not talk, he not even slap your husband when he did that pain. You know, even if you say you not cause, but you go give your husband bo. So me, I not even if say person blame you, say yes, you did toxic, but me, I not blame you. Because me, I remember my uncle wife that time with the hospital. Now so he bite my uncle, he go the cuss her, he cuss her, he no go ever do again, he no go do again. At the end of the day, he never reach how many years, he don't still get again. I say, auntie, but you be say you not do again, that they say make I shut up. He say make I shut up. Say, that's a better, if to see that time, phone they ring, and for video ram. And for sure and say, sister, see what you talk that time. Oh. Nobody will know if woman gave that labor pain. You even they beg and say, help me do this one. You know they do. You know they help you. You are just alone. Only what the demand they provide for you now. Now that small money where they give for feeding. Not only that one be waiting a day. Yes, it's important for feeding, but what of your own self-respect? If man no feel respect you when you even they carry a baby for your womb,
how it go to respect you? How it go to respect you? Man, we go give your mother €1, you go insult her. Some men, I don't know for now. You see, I know if not be saying that we they carry the children, but like this kind of man, I would say, since like 2 boys you born for, you go born another girl if you leave her, you go born girl. Now that one husband, now you go give her a knock for that wedding, their wedding day. You go see him. Because what you sow is what you reap. Don't sow what you don't want to reap, Oga. You go insult your wife, family. You go insult your mama, insult your papa. But just for example, say you now start to the insult your parents. Now that the day we start to the insult, now not be that they tell you say he no go ever want you again. Say he don't tire. And I know he go constantly beg you. Yes, that's what they do. He go constantly beg you. Go tell you say, my sister, my dear, I am so sorry. You know, now out of anger, take talk. Please forgive me.
Okay, Mama Davis, let us all clear ourselves about the loan side. The way she want to explain us so for this side, me hear that one. But when you say loan to go carry money for bank, that one say you not the inside. Now she can't record us like this.
No, Pastor, I dey listen to what they talk just now. Yes, I talked something about law. Where the law matter for common side. Now where for say, not be even waiting this mama even talk just now said. Now where for say, say me na poor man pikin. Me when grow for village, they can't carry me come believe me will be poor man pikin. So now I come tell and say, I be poor man pikin, but at least my papa build 2 houses for the Benin there. And they still get many land. You will be rich man picking your papa no get pin. And for then if you come tell me say, even though say papa no feel build, so far him now they build. I say, what do you build? House where you they build when you carry loan for bank, they go they build us after almost 11 years for Europe. Now you go carry loan for bank, they build house. So now so the because now loan now carry and no life ahead. So now so the matter now so.
Oh, no, the side they talk because that for me here. Say the side of say loan go carry money. Okay. So that one me know. Okay. She say make quick correct time, make we know.
Good, that's the correct time because at least you say me go carry loan. Okay, no problem. Maybe I don't even hear where. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. Now my don't clear her. Okay. But sister, I beg you in the name of God. I don't even know, sir, because this man. If you get somebody, that place where you say you want to go, make sure so you trust the person so that the person not go gog you. So that the person not gog you. You know, some people they say, come. If you reach the field, they'll gog you. You have 2 children. Look for a place to go. A place that you'll be okay. I beg you. And please, sir, me with power tap now. Even me when they work, sometimes I go try carry my phone, come out to a power tap. People just sit down, they just listen, they not the power tap.
No worry, I know what I will do there. I know what I will do. That make cannot come address today. I can't sleep.
You see? I beg now, move power tap.
I can't sleep.
But the future words, move power tap. Mommy Gio, more power tap.
Now make I sleep yesterday.
That's why the right time for comment section.
We say we must
go to listen. We know a lot.
I love my father. Yes. Tap. No eat per the jam. Wash your hands.
I don't finish. At the tap, my sister.
Despite say we they talk about this woman, I want to rescue this woman for this guy hand. Maybe now I want to talk my own now. Not say my own. At the stretch hand, they go different direction. When I they talk my own. Now, I tell you yesterday why I want to talk this thing because I just see this sister now, they watch me. You just say sometimes when they talk here, people when get sense, they don't understand what we they talk. Okay? But some of them if they get hatred for their hearts, they don't feel understand what we they talk. They won't be say, me man like me, ask me your big rich now. Make me your go social media. May I go to insult women. Then they will tell like me. That is what they are hoping for. Where they say, I get mama. I get sisters. I can't get wife for his house. I can't see get daughters. Make person like me, man like me. May I go social media. If I don't own my phone, I will own my this thing here. They tell they insult women. That's what they were expecting from me. Foul. Foul. Sister, dress come. You call me, na good one, oh. Say you call me, na good thing. But you don't know why you call me. You don't know the spirit when he tell you, may you call me. You don't know. None of us be God, but you don't know why you call me. You call me because something will move you to call me. Okay? Now, what did they talk to woman? He don't talk to you already. He don't talk to you already. But you disobey that thing. Then that thing push you. May you call me. I know say my advice when I give you yesterday, you know, it don't sweet you. It don't sweet you. Thank God say I advise you outside the camera. Because you say you want to talk to direct, not be the public. I see you, my sister. Dogo, I see you. Good afternoon. But one thing when I will tell you, if you can mark yesterday date for me, I don't wish you bad. But if you can mark yesterday date for me, I will be very happy and be glad. You were coming from Germany, and I talked to that woman when they talking about just now. You understand? If you can mark yesterday date for me, just only mark the date. That's what you do. Open your wardrobe. If you open your wardrobe, take biro. Not take paper. You don't need paper. Only you take a pen. Open your wardrobe. You see direct for inside your wardrobe. So, just write yesterday date. What was yesterday? I think yesterday was 13. Just write 13th May. Okay? Just write that. What you do? You only write 13th May 2025. And you can write ATC. Joiner. Austin TikTok community. I mean ATC. Just put on there like that. You know why? You know why I tell you that what I tell you yesterday? Me want to talk my mind now to the public. According to the information when they come my table here, sometimes if man send you Germany, me you come born for Germany, I wanna not marry. See, I know what I talk. It will hard for you to understand what they get for here every blessed day. Sometimes, if man send you Germany, you will not marry. I beg, sometimes, make that as you born finish, leave that man for there. Yes. Yes. Sometimes, leave that man for there. Yes. Maybe father of your child. It's okay. Leave her for there. Yes. It will hurt. But the language will be bad language to many people watching us from FYP and all. But I will tell you why. Sometimes, leave that man for there. You know why? As you come out now since 3 years for Italy, you come stronger for here. Okay? Come they build new life. That guy for there. That guy for there. Sometimes, many of them, they chuk they go. You see, you don't survive for 3 years now for here. That guy for there, he don't get HIV. Some of them don't get HIV. I know how they talk. You know if you understand. Some of them don't get HIV. Some of them. You understand? I know what they talk about. I know they drink. Some of them don't get HIV already. For that way. You went sit down your own. When you sit down your own. You think that the person you know before, now you know again. Now you want to know this time around. Now you want to know again. Now lie you. Not being you want to know again. Person will live since 3 years. In mind don't change. Your mind don't change. You dey force yourself. When go carry person come for Italy, make come join you here. Sometimes, now these kind of people are going to carry come. Now they say when I go prison. Now they carry on children. Now they join government, they carry on children. I know it's at the top. My table don't fall for here. My table don't fall for here. I never get space again for this place. It not me say, person say you go Germany, una must marry. No. It don't mean so una must marry. Una must not marry. But that fatherly love, let her deal with the pikin. You see you yourself where it is, just remove yourself. Change another life. Look for another person. Look for another partner for where you dey. Result when they get every day. Result when they get. Before you will see person, before they will mention France, say this person in France, now for come Germany. Now for Canada come Germany. Now he do me this one. I never see one though. Till today I see they wait for. Before you will see person say that na Holland, now for come. Na Poland, now for come. Up till today, I never see one. One I never see. Say this guy na Spain. I mean na France. Na Netherlands. Na Poland. All this country now they for come. Now I can't do me this one. Now I can't destroy me. I never see one though. Till today, I never see one. Know where they see? Italy, Spain, Italy, Spain. Italy and Spain can be like brothers and sisters. They can be like twins. They can be like twins. It no me say, person say you go born for Germany, say una must marry. Sister, now you make me repeat this thing. I know so tell advice yesterday, you were not happy because you like what they do. Now make you be coming. People will listen to wrong advice. Now lie you. Because why? Many people will get HIV now. As we talk, not be here. Not be here. Because they were innocent. I'm not going to drag my con. My when you live since 3 years. I'm not going to drag and con. You just say that man wait for you. He don't wait for you. Una not remember. Oh God. Not remember what I tell you for this platform. Not remember. Now so I did my heart, all the name of help. I did my heart, Somebody want to relocate his wife from Napoli. From Napoli. Come Germany. Somebody with belly. All the load when they has to finish. All the load. Imagine go this pot when they cook. Pot when they cook. Pot when they cook. It finish. It finish for us. As just they comot. Just they comot. The enter boss. They comot. That make evil comot. Not the man evil day. Make evil comot. Then, before you know, another woman will enter her house. So make una know all these things. It is very, very important. Because why? People will be, somebody will be your best boyfriend. But you see this marriage of a thing, it is very deep well. It is very, very deep. Not everybody will be good father. So at this that called me yesterday, she called for wisdom. I understand. She want to know 1 or 2 things. I understand. You see how good you are. You are very good. You are a good person. You are a good person. You do all miss to make sure say as he arrive here, he will start to the work. As he arrive here, he will start to do this one. That one is your plan. But do you know his plan? Yes. Do you know his plan? I be this platform never here before where they talk say I cannot come for Italy. He come here than a problem. He come here say want go tell government. He come here want go do this one. He come here give pikin to government. He come here say don't want pikin again. Maybe government collect her. He come here say do this one. Never hear that before. Madam, I tell you yesterday, if you know say you know this guy very well, you know him very well. Good. But if you know say you don't know where you live at, I'm not sure that I get like that. Can you imagine? Person with it from here, they send money, they go give the boyfriend or the people for Italy. That same person will come here. You come make sure say that pikin, when they use the money they send, go give her. You will come make sure say government collect her. Wait till come pay me pass. The woman they hear from Napoli. Now come pay me pass. Now person can't help person for Napoli. Kada comot with shorty cloth. With shorty cloth. Now they come out for Napoli. And this person so they put her on monthly salary. Before the carry come out. What about today? Now this same person, now I go do person down for the carry and go. Now I go draw and lock down. Don't forget this way. Sometimes, as I see you now, see you, they watch us. That's why I could tell you that thing, my sister. Mark yesterday's date. I don't wish you bad. I wish you well 100%. I wish you not well. You and your baby father, I wish you not well. But open your eyes very well. Open your eyes very well. As they see some sign, they come your side. Just make sure that those signs